This one is our flow wrap machine for packing the blisters. This machine can connect the blister packing machine. You can see there are two automatic feeding systems because customer usually request a very high speed. For example, max speed can be 300 packs per minute. So we have two automatic feeding systems. Here have a sensor. For example, this auto feeding system can allocate from 1 piece to 5 pieces. For example, if customer requests 5 pieces, but now here check only 4 pieces. This feeder will automatically totally 5 pieces. Here check again for the if the product is not good quality. For example, the less of the board, then will be rejected at the end. This one is we say is an automatic film recovery system. For example, the customer put 2 films, 1, 2, and 1 film finished. Another one will automatically work in. You can see here there are 2 sensors. The first sensor is for detecting the eye mark on the film.